How to delete Facebook account. Let's begin opening the Facebook app. After, tap the menu icon. It may be at the top or at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap the gear icon to open the settings. Now, go to See More in Account Center. Scroll down a little and choose Personal Details. In Personal Details, select Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. So, select the Facebook account you wanna delete. In Deactivation or Deleting your Facebook account, there are two options: Deactivate account or Delete account. In this tutorial, we wanna delete a Facebook account. So, select the option Delete account. Scroll down a little, then tap Continue. Be aware that deleting your Facebook account will also delete your other additional Facebook profiles, as well as pages where you are the only admin or person with the full control. To keep your pages active, assign another admin or give someone else full control in your page's settings. Apart from these hypotheses, the Facebook page related to this account will also be deleted permanently. Tap Continue. Now you can tell the reason why you are deleting your Facebook account, or you can just tap Continue. After, scroll down until the end and tap Continue again. At this moment, you need to enter your password to proceed. Finally, tap Continue. Touch the subscribe button for more Facebook tutorials.